In this video, we are going to show you how to add an earthquake shake effect in CapCut Mobile. Now to do this, I'm going to start from scratch. So tap Edit, New Video. I'm going to choose a clip. All right, so once we have our clip, you want to tap on Effects on the bottom, like so, and then tap on Video Effects, and then the slide up will appear. On the search bar, just type Shake, right? That's going to show you all the shake effects available. You want the first one, which is Shake. There you go. So you're going to see the preview over there. It is now shaking. Now, if you want to adjust that, you can tap on Adjust, and this slide up will appear. You can adjust the speed. You can adjust the intensity, right? Make it, there we go. Make it harder. Yeah. So once that's done, you've adjusted it to your satisfaction. Now you can just play it again to make sure that it is working for you. After that, you can tap export and you will be good to go. Pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.